Hello and welcome to a Unraid Quickie on how to delete a share. First, we need to head over to our Unraid web UI. Make sure the array is up and running. Then head over to Shares. Click on the share you want to delete. Head over to the Delete checkbox and press Delete. Sometimes, however, you will not be able to see the Delete checkbox. In that case, your share still contains data. To see what data is contained in your share, we head back to Shares and click on the View button. Here we can see that there is still a data.txt file left in the share. Once I head over to my share and delete the file, I can go back over here, refresh, and see that everything is actually deleted. I can go back to my share, and now I can see the checkbox and press delete. This concludes the Unraid Quickie on how to delete a share.